Sapiens IS is a coaching institute in the field of IS exam training categories. It has been teaching anthropology for the last 1 decade. It has produced hundreds of IS, IPS, IFS, IRS officers for the nation. In the past few years, Sapiens IS has been producing toppers in anthropology. For example, in 2016, Nipun Agrawal was anthropology topper. He got 329 marks, which is the highest marks in anthropology, and it may be the highest marks in all the optionals, one of the highest marks. How it is possible? See, we follow certain things, therefore our result is consistent. We are able to deliver results to our students. And what we do at our institute, we complete the syllabus in a time-bound manner. We start syllabus right from the first topic. We follow the syllabus as it is ordered, and we end up the syllabus with the last topic of the syllabus. We don't believe in any shortcut. I think this is the best part for any institute. In Sapiens IS, we have developed an innovative method of learning, which is popularly known as frame-based learning or learning with structure, which is key to the success in UPSC or PCS exam. In layman's term, it is called skeleton of the questions. Whenever we discuss any topic, we elaborately discuss first of all, because almost all the students will be from non-anthropological background. We have to make them understand. So elaborate discussion helps in understanding. Next part is we share framework or skeleton of the topic. And as a result, we develop a step-to-step learning. It helps in understanding. It helps in memorizing. It helps in revision. And at last, it helps in presentation. Because of structured learning, one does not distract from the discussion, thereby not writing unnecessary things. In other words, it helps in following 3 F's which are required in UPSC exam. First step is factual learning. Second step is frameworking or structuring. Third F is flow. One has to maintain flow in one's answer. So because of frame-based learning, these 3 F's which are vital or key to the success, one can learn very easily and one can reproduce things in the exam according to the requirement. Sapiens IS is the only institute in the category of anthropology which provides complete study materials. It is meticulously designed, highly organized and processed study materials. It is not simply note. We don't believe in cut and paste. We give you answers within limited words, with introduction, conclusion, and these are ready-made answers. So therefore, our students don't spend time for collection of facts, organizing facts, and presentation of facts at home. They can save huge time. And this saved times can be invested in GS and SA. Students at Sapiens are provided with case studies which are required in anthropology, particularly in second paper. They are given facts in the form of diagrams, flowcharts, graphs, so that they should not work unduly at home. Thereby, this institution is reducing the burden of students' work. Again, it is helping students save time. And moreover, when things are done by expert, that can be better, that can be easy to learn. So we do everything. We try to reduce burden of students as much as possible. See, in every institutions, all students are not equally meritorious. Some are more intelligent, some are less intelligent. So in our institutions, we don't discriminate between good students and bad students. We believe in every student has potential to become IAS or IPS, provided they should be given adequate attention, personal care, and whatever mistakes, whatever strength they have, that should be given them in the form of feedback. If these things are done with every student has the capacity, has the potential to become IAS. And it is my experience in my institute, even students with ordinary background, not coming from elite institutions, they have gone through this exam and they have attained top ranks below 15 from our institute. So this faith in students that anybody can become IAS is our strength. And we are trying to follow these things year after year. So every student is given equal attention. We evaluate our students' performance through class test as well as test series. See, whatever you are learning in the class, it is a theoretical work. Unless and until you are writing answers in an exam mode, you can't evaluate your preparations. Ultimately, you have to write answers in the exam. So that should be prepared. So to evaluate one's preparation, one must go through test again and again. So we frequently go for class test. Once the syllabus is completed, we go for test series. It is the final touch of one's preparation. If anybody is attending class regularly, test series religiously, one is bound to get, under any circumstances, to score more than 300. And that is enough to make or enough to become IAS IPS in a very fast attempt. At the last, our class is totally digital. And this digital class has lot of advantages. First of all, we can demonstrate our facts digitally. If anyone miss a class, he can watch recorded class. So virtually nobody in our institution missed a class. So therefore, continuity of learning is maintained. So because of all these things, it has been a tradition in Sapiens IAS to produce IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS regularly. And it has been a tradition in this institute to produce toppers in anthropology regularly. It is Sapiens which is to produce toppers in anthropology every year. And we have done it many times.